Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Epson workforce, ES-580W scanner, the OMNIHIL 8 feet long AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's designed to be a reliable and robust power solution, and there's quite a bit to unpack about its features and why it might be the perfect fit for your setup. First off, one of the most reassuring aspects of this adapter is its UL listing. For those unfamiliar, a UL listing means the product has been tested by underwriters' laboratories and meets their stringent safety standards. This isn't something you find on every generic adapter, and it provides significant peace of mind, knowing it's built with safety as a priority. The cord length is another practical highlight. At a generous 8 feet, this adapter offers much more flexibility in terms of where you can place your scanner relative to a power outlet. No more struggling with short cords or needing an extension cable just to power up comfortably. This extended reach is a small detail that makes a big difference in daily use. What truly sets this OMNIHIL adapter apart is its global compatibility. It boasts a worldwide 100V to 240V 5060 Hz rating, meaning you can take your Epson ES-580W scanner almost anywhere in the world and power it up without needing a voltage converter, only a simple plug adapter if the wall socket type differs. This makes it an excellent choice for travelers or anyone in an international setting. Safety features are paramount, and OMNIHIL has packed this adapter with comprehensive protection. It includes OV, OCP, and SCP protection. That's over voltage output protection, over current output protection, and short circuit output protection. These safeguards are designed to protect both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable Epson scanner from potential electrical mishaps. It's good to know that the manufacturer has gone the extra mile to ensure these protections are in place, and that all products are tested to exceed or meet standard specifications. While it's a third-party non-OEM part, OMNIHIL stands by its quality with a substantial 5-year free warranty. That kind of warranty period speaks volumes about the manufacturer's confidence in their product's durability and performance. It connects via a standard barrel plug, making it a straightforward replacement or spare for your electronic devices, especially the ES-580W scanner. In essence, the OMNIHIL AC-DC adapter for the Epson workforce ES-580W scanner presents itself as a highly capable and safe power solution. Its UL listing, extended cord length, global voltage compatibility, robust safety protections, and a generous warranty make it a compelling option for anyone in need of a reliable power source for their scanner. It's designed to keep your scanner running smoothly and safely, wherever you are.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.